Hey everyone, my name is Anchika and today's video is all about the Nykaa sale haul. So Nykaa recently had a Spring Friday sale and I think it was in the month of July or towards the end of July, and I shopped a lot from them, and literally there were at least 6 to 10 boxes that came, and all were full of products. एक दो boxes ऐसे थे जिनमें एक या दो single products उन्होंने deliver करवाए, but nonetheless I kept them for 4 to 5 days separately. And I'm really excited to show you guys what all I bought from the Nykaa sale haul. And if you guys want to have a look on the makeup that I'm wearing right now, it's going to be up on my YouTube itself. And for the first time I have tried something like this, something like makeup tutorial, or you can say whatever, because every time I recorded XYZ videos, but I was avoiding to record a makeup video, but this time I gave it a try and I boosted myself up to do that. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can get further notified for my videos. And this video is going to be up I think within a week or so. And अब मैंने बहुत बोल लिया. Now let's move on to the video. So the first thing that I bought is this Faces Canada Compact. This is their outer covering, and this is the inner packaging, the classic Faces Canada packaging that they have in black and golden, and the another one which they have is I think in red or golden or red or black, something like that. So this is what the compact looks from the inside. This is the powder, this is the mirror, and it also comes with a poof, which I think is great. And it says that it's weightless, stay matte compact with SPF 20, vitamin E and shea butter. But overall, if I say so, I have used it I think 4 to 5 times till now, and I think it's something which will suit for oily skin, because my skin is sort of dry or combination, and it dries my skin a little more, so I don't like it like a lot. But the next thing that I got is this Wet n Wild H2O proof something eyeliner. It is in the shade dark brown, and I did not find any difference between the dark brown and the black, any black color which I apply on my eyelids. It's similar, so I don't know the purpose of including a dark brown shade in their range, because it has no variation. And I did not personally enjoyed this product, because if you see, this tip doesn't bend, and see if it's bending, so it's bending like this, it goes like broader, it bends like this. So the tip is not very flexible, which I don't like, and the product is also kind of little dry, because I am a hardcore user of Maybelline eyeliner, Maybelline that जो पतले से उसमें आता है, so that's too liquidy and I love that, and this one is like slightly drier, so I don't enjoy using this. And the next thing which I bought from Wet n Wild itself is their 3 brushes, and I am currently like obsessed with buying brushes. So I got this eye brush, dome shaped eye brush, and their contour brush, because I was not having a proper chisel, that shape, that वाला shape जो angled होता है, उसमें मेरे पास contour brush नहीं था, so I got this. And then again I got one more eye brush from Wet n Wild itself, and overall I bought 4 products. So I got this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil free from their range, and if we see, so it comes for rupees 125, so I got this product as a free one, which like I'm totally satisfied. I bought 4 products and I got 2 more because it's having 2 pencils, so I'm like good to go. Next thing that I got is this Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Radiant Young Skin Gold Radiance Facial Kit. Too many words to read, but still I managed them to read somehow. And also it comes with Swiss Magic Dark Spot Corrector, something like that. I haven't yet tried it. I have to try it, and it came for I think 175 or 170 rupees. I exactly don't know, but I'll be mentioning all the prices of the products and the discounted prices also somewhere over here on the screen. So next thing that I bought is this Rimmel London foundation, and it's their perfect match perfection. Again, too many words. Match perfection 24-hour moisture hydration pore blurring effect, something in another language only. So it's SPF 20, invisible coverage, visibly perfected skin, and it's 30 ml of bottle that's coming. And somehow the shade that I ordered is like darker, two shades darker than my skin, and I'm like, again I spent my money on something which I cannot use alone. So either I'll buy the same foundation in another shade, or I'll use it with another foundation which I have already. It's that LA Girl वाला जो मेरे शेड से 2-3 शेड्स लाइटर मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया था. So that's another story. And this foundation is like really cheap, and I heard about it on Shreya Jain's video, so I really wanted to try. And this comes, I think it's 450 or 400 rupees का है ये. Now we have two more products from the Faces Canada range itself, and the first one is this weightless matte finish foundation, and I have ordered the small tube of this because I wanted to give it a try first. And ये I think 150, 160 or say 170 rupees का आया होगा something. And overall it's like matte finish. I have used this one time only, so I cannot say too many things about it, but it's matte finish and its sheer coverage is what all I have discovered till now. Next product is this Faces Canada Magnet Eye Eyeliner. So the other packaging of Faces Canada is this is the red and white one. Okay, I told you guys red and black or something like that. I was wrong. It's red and white. So this is the another packaging of Faces Canada, the classic another packaging they have. And this is their eyeliner, and I loved it because it's liquidy, and again the tip is flexible. So I really enjoyed it, and I've tried it only two times, and I've loved by far. Next up we have two eyebrow products in line, and the first one is this NYX eyebrow pencil, and it is their NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil. Now again this product is something which is hyped about all over the Instagram and YouTube when it comes to eyebrow products. So I was like, let me try this, and मुझे ये 30% off में मिला था. So I exactly don't know the price. It was like something 550 or 600, I'll tell you. And I haven't still used it, but I'll definitely use and post a review about this on my Instagram feed. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram as well. And the next product that I bought is their Etude House drawing brow pencil, and I am in love with this because it's too cheap and it's like really pigmented. I have used the Wet n Wild one जो मुझे again 200-250 रुपए में मिल जाती थी. And this product comes with a spoolie, which is like something that I love the most. And also इसका ये वाला part जिससे हम eyebrows fill करते हैं, that is like too precise, and it's really easy for me to fill. And पहली बार मुझे कोई eyebrow pencil मेरे shade में मिली है. For the first time, like I have been using this, that, blah blah products, but I have never found something which matches my eyebrow color. So like I am really excited. I'm really in love with this. I have already used this like 7, 8, 10 times. I don't know what. And ये products बहुत ज़्यादा shade range में आता है. So if you are having lighter, darker or whatnot eyebrows, you can go and try this. It's really cheap, and इसकी cap मैंने नीचे गिरा दी. So the next thing we have is mascara, and I bought this Maybelline Total Temptation. Oh, it's Total Temptation, sorry guys. It's Total Temptation Soft Dense Lashes Mascara, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. Again, मैंने इसके बारे में कुछ लोगों से सुना था, so I thought let me try another mascara because मेरा mascara वो dry हो चुका था. I was like नया ही try कर लेते हैं. So it's this, and इसके बारे में मैंने सुना है but अभी तक मैंने use नहीं किया है. So I'll be posting about this on my Instagram story, not on the feed. So that's about this. So next up we have two concealers, and the first one is the NYX HD Concealer. And इसके बारे में obviously I think आपने भी सुना होगा बहुत. अगर नहीं सुना है तो मुझसे सुन लो, ये बहुत ज़्यादा hyped है. And ये मेरे शेड से 2 शेड लाइटर है. I bought CW02, एंड ये मेरे शेड से 2 शेड लाइटर है, विच आई थिंक इज़ वेरी गुड। इसको मैंने अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स हैं यार, मैं कितना ट्राई कर लूँगी 15 दिन के अंदर। तो मैंने इसके बारे में अभी सिर्फ सुना है, ट्राई नहीं किया है। आई पोस्ट इट अगेन ऑन माई स्टोरी और फीड ऑन इंस्टा, आई डोंट नो। एंड द नेक्स्ट कंसीलर इज़ द फिट मी कंसीलर, मेबलिन फिट मी कंसीलर। ये मैं पिछले 4 सालों से एटलीस्ट यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड माई रेगुलर शेड हैज़ बीन 20। 10 मैं तब यूज़ करती हूँ जब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हाईलाइट करना होता है अपने फेस का कोई पार्ट, बट 20 इज़ माई गो टू शेड। वेयर एवर आई गो आई जस्ट अप्लाई दिस। ये मेरा दूसरे तीसरे महीने ख़त्म होता रहता है एंड आई हैव टू बाई इट, सो आई बाई इट ओनली इन 35 to 40% ऑफ। मैं इससे नीचे ऑफ में इसको नहीं खरीदती हूँ एंड आई नो कि ये नायका पे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम 25% ऑफ में रहता है, बट 30-35 पे आता है, बट कभी कभी आता है। सो जब वो आता है आई ग्रैब इट बिकॉज मैं इसके बिना नहीं रह सकती। इट्स वन ऑफ दोज प्रोडक्ट्स। प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव इज दिस इज द बायोटीक Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel, and this is one of those things जो आपको भी नहीं पता चलता आपने कब और क्यों खरीद ली, बट मैंने ख़रीद ली एंड अब मैं इसको यूज़ करूँगी। मैंने अभी तक नहीं करी है एंड डेफिनेटली आई पोस्ट अबाउट दिस ऑल्सो ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, या फिर मैं एक सेपरेट यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाऊँगी जिसमें मैं स्किन केयर के बारे में शेयर करूँगी, तो मे बी मैं इसको उसमें इंक्लूड करूँ। नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव पैक आई लैशेज एंड आई बॉट 3 of them. This one is the पैक 53 and it is one of my those eyelashes which I had applied very first. सबसे पहला eyelash है ये मेरा जो मैंने कभी ज़िंदगी में अप्लाई करा था एंड आई वॉज लाइक टोटली इन लव बिकॉज ये बहुत ज़्यादा नेचुरल लुकिंग है, स्टिल विस्पी है एंड बहुत पतली इसकी बैंड है, सो आई जस्ट लव्ड इट। The next eyelash is the one that I have applied it right now and इसकी lash band इससे थोड़ी सी thick है because ये mink lashes हैं and I'm coming closer so you can have a look कि ये कैसा लगता है। It is also one of those lashes जो hooded eyes पे या फिर कह लो small eyes पे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, so I'm having that. And the third one that I got is the 59 number जो कि मैंने अपने पुराने इंस्टा वीडियोस 3-4 वीडियोस जो मैंने डाले उनमें मैंने 59 वाला ही पहना है बिकॉज दैट गिव्स मोर ऑफ अ लाइक विस्पियर लुक येट नेचुरल। सो मैंने वो वाले लैशेस पहने अपने IGTV के 3-4 वीडियोस में, यू कैन हैव अ लुक ओवर देयर। नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव हाईलाइटर एंड दिस टाइम आई हैव दिस वेट एंड वाइल्ड Halo liquid highlighter, something like that, and this time I bought liquid highlighter because मेरे पास powder highlighter है, I was not having liquid highlighters, so I thought let's try it and इसकी bond भी thick है, like it's perfect to apply on this part जो आपका ऊपर रहता है, that what it is called I don't know, मेरे दिमाग में अभी नहीं आ रहा है, I hope आप समझ गए होंगे। so it's perfect to apply it over here एंड बहुत ईजिली ये ब्लेंड होता है। मैंने इसको एक बार यूज़ किया है तो आई जस्ट लव दैट एंड आई शो यू द शेड। इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस, इट्स टू ब्लिंगी। Okay, so finally I have managed to finish most of the products that was there in the box except for lipsticks. So now we will show the lipsticks, and first lipstick that I have is this Nykaa Mattelicious lip crayons, and I bought them in buy one get one वाली सेल जो 1 घंटे की फ्लैश सेल थी, and I was like let me try because मैंने आज तक कभी lip crayons नहीं ट्राई करे थे, so I was like अब ले ही लेते हैं। and जो मैंने शेड्स लिए हैं ये जनरली 20 to 25% पे ही ऑफ पे देता है नायका, एंड दिस टाइम इट वाज लाइक आई वाज आई वाज एक्चुअली गेटिंग 50% ऑफ। So the first shade we have in this is Kiss and Tell, and I'll swatch and show you guys. So it's the perfect plumish red. It's very beautiful and it lasted on my lips I think for 6 to 7 hours, and ख़त्म होने की बाद भी ये लिप से हटने के बाद भी इसके टिंट रह जाता है, so that's like a bonus which I love. and ये सेंटर ऑफ द लिप से भी फेड नहीं होता है जो मुझे और अच्छा लगा, एंड पहला मैंने लिप क्रेयॉन ट्राई करा था एंड ज़िंदगी में एंड वो बहुत अच्छा निकला, सो that's that. And the next shade is this Lacy Luck, which I am currently also having on my lips. So this is the swatch of Lacy Luck. This is the perfect mauvish nude. I don't know if you can see, it's the perfect mauvish nude. एंड ये इससे थोड़ा सा कम लास्ट करता है क्योंकि इसका शेड लाइटर है. अगर ये 6 से 7 घंटे लास्ट करेगा तो ये 5 से 6 कह लो, बट इसमें टिंट रह जाती है इस वाले शेड में ऑन द लिप्स, एंड इसमें टिंट उतनी नहीं पता चलती क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी न्यूड है, बट रहती है टिंट. सो दैट्स द नायका मैटिलिशियस लिप क्रेयॉन्स. One thing that I forgot to tell you is that those Mattelicious crayons comes with this sharpener, which is like really handy and you can sharp and use whenever you want. And the next lipstick which I have is also from Nykaa. This is their Ultra Matte range, and again I got it in buy one get one वाली sale. Actually जब ये sale थी तो इनकी सारी lipsticks पे buy one get one था, but I was not having their lip crayons and Ultra Matte range, so I was like let me try them, and I got 2 shades buy one get one में. The first one is Marilyn and the second one is Grace. एंड अगर हम इसकी पैकेजिंग वाइज बात करें तो इसकी पैकेजिंग मैग्नेटिक है, यू कैन सी, एंड आई विल शो यू द शेड ऑल्सो. बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही है यार मुझे बोलने में, मैं क्या करूँ, मैं बहुत देर से बोल रही हूँ, मेरी आदत नहीं है ऐसे रिकॉर्ड करने की. सो प्लीज़ अगर मुझसे कोई गलती हो जाए तो आप एडजस्ट कर लेना थोड़ा सा. एंड मेरे बाल भी अब ख़राब हो रहे हैं, बट या so that's this shade Grace, and look how beautiful it is. Like this is my kind of pink, I can definitely say that, my kind of pink. So this was the shade Grace that I have swatched. Now I'll swatch Marilyn, something like that, and this is the red shade. It's not as pigmented as I thought to be, so I'll have to like swatch, you have to like swatch 2 times on the lips, 2 to 3 times to get the pigmentation. So like I did not like this shade, but it's there, so I will use it. And ये वाला जो shade था ये plummish red था, this वाला is more like of a pinkish red, but it's red, so it's that. So these were the 4 lipsticks that I bought from Nykaa. Now, so the next lipstick that I got is from Maybelline, and it is their, nothing is written here. Okay, so I'll mention the detail over here somewhere, and the shade is East Village Rose, and let me swatch it and show. So that's this shade, and if we look, so ये shade and ये shade आपको एक जैसे लग रहे होंगे, but they are not. This is more of a brownish nude, you can say, and this is more of a mauve nude. And this is the shade that I got for I think just 150 rupees. इसके बारे में मैंने Instagram की stories पे भी post किया था कि this shade is in 50% off, so आप ले सकते हो. And that's it about the Maybelline lipstick. Now let's move on to one more thing which is left. Final thing which was left in my box is this. This is the Maybelline Color Show Lip Paints, the Color Show Jolt Matte Lip Paint. And इसको मैंने बहुत दिनों पहले देखा था, and ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा था, बट ये महंगा भी है, इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस बहुत ज़्यादा था, मुझे ये 175 और समथिंग का दिखा. आई वाज लाइक एक ट्राई करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द शेड, अगेन यार जगह ही नहीं बची है. So this is the shade number 13, and it is How Bare You. The name of the lipstick is How Bare You, and ये मेरे लिप्स पे एकदम नो लिपस्टिक जैसा दिखता है. सो आई रियली लव टू यूज़ इट. जब भी मैं कहीं पे भी जा रही होती हूँ, नहीं भी जा रही होती हूँ यार, तो बस लगा लेती हूँ मैं इसको, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है. And that's all the lipstick which I bought, and that was it for today's video. बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा था, at least for me to record it. So if you liked it and you want me to make such more haul videos, please tell me in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because वो मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. And until next time, take care, stay healthy, stay happy, bye.